The creation of SkyWay was inspired by the desire to produce the safest, most efficient, most environmentally friendly and unique mode of transportation. Our solution is a pre-stressed continuous track structure with rail cars with unique aerodynamics moving along it. They are controlled automatically and are set in motion with the help of motor wheels of our own design. These tracks can cross mountains, rivers, marshes, jungles, and tundra with spans of up to 3 kilometers. We design and build cargo, urban, high-speed, and intercity routes. As for the urban trend, which is very important for us, we can increase transportation mobility in cities and transportation accessibility. If you take Paris, for example, today sometimes it can take you an hour and a half to 2 hours to travel to your workplace. If there were SkyWay routes there, the travel time would be reduced by 2 to 3 times. Previously, we designed the units and elements separately, and then during assembly, they did not often fit with each other because they were designed in a different way. When we moved over to the 3D experience platform, these problems were removed because it is possible to trace the entire technology lifecycle from sketches, ideas, and working drawings to production and operation. And the 3D experience platform is the only tool that makes it possible to implement this kind of approach. I am confident about the success of our project because we are creating a perfect means of transportation, which is demonstrated in our eco-technopark in Marina Gorka. And when someone asks me about my dream, I say I would like our safer, more cost-effective, and more environmentally friendly string roads to encircle the globe and be available on all continents.